our GPS, our flashlight, and even as our entire computer. App developers do their best to make user interface as simple and intuitive as possible.
To play music, roll your eyes. Message sent to mom.
But sometimes it's easier to manage things with a physical controller. Meet Nimi and Boozy, the inventors of Pressy, a new way to control and automate your everyday smartphone actions. Pressy is a tiny physical button that connects to your headphone jack and sends unique signals to an intuitive app that can activate one of many commands. Here are some of the many things you can do with your Pressy. Take instant photos and upload them to your favorite social network. Turn on your LED light. Send your location for emergencies. Start a discreet tape recording.
Don't tell anyone, but I like bears.
Check into your favorite social network, and much more. Pressy is not just a one-trick pony. You can easily configure the Pressy app to execute different actions for different sequences of clicks. For example, 2 short clicks can call your mom, and 2 long clicks can call your dad. But what if you want to use your headphones? Just let Pressy rest in the special keychain and use the headphone button as Pressy. It all still works. Pressy even has an API, so developers can bring you more cool features. Pressy, the almighty button.
Seven to New York is now boarding at gate 3. Please hurry so you can find a place to store your carry-on luggage. Assuming you were even able to carry it on and the airline didn't make you check it because you packed too much. Hopefully you all have a Blue Smart, the world's first smart carry-on suitcase.
Introducing Blue Smart, the first carry-on that connects to your smartphone with revolutionary features, including a digital lock, proximity sensors, location tracking, trip tracking information, a built-in digital scale, and if that wasn't enough, a built-in battery that can charge your phone 6 times over. Designed for today's sophisticated traveler. And even guys like this. Pull the handle, and the app will tell you the exact weight of your carry-on so that you never have to check it because you pack too much. God knows what a suitcase has to go through. Forget about keys or combinations. Control the lock from the app. And if for any reason you need to part ways with your Blue Smart, worry not, it will automatically lock itself. Life's too short to fight for an outlet. Blue Smart will recharge your electronic devices with our super powerful built-in battery. So relax. Blue Smart will alert you if you ever leave it behind, or if it finds a new friend. And if it's ever lost, you'll be able to track its location. You will breeze through airport security thanks to easy access to your electronic devices. With Blue Smart, anyone can travel smart. Even this guy.
Cloud, perfectly organized the way you want. And what if after you saved your notes in the cloud and filled your paper notebook, you could just erase it with the push of a button and use it again? That's not magic, that's the Rocketbook Wave Notebook. With the Wave Notebook and the Rocketbook app, you instantly blast your notes into the cloud using your mobile device. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Wave Notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or simply to your email inbox. Let's see how Jake has his set up. He marks the diamond symbol and the Rocketbook app sends the notes to his customer meetings notes in Evernote. When he's brainstorming, he marks the star symbol, which he decided are for the notes that belong in his ideas folder in Google Docs. Now that your notes are in the cloud, when your notebook is filled, there's no need to go buy another book or let used notebooks clutter your life. Here's how you can reuse your Wave Notebook multiple times with the mere push of a button. Take your notes using Friction Pilot pens, available in many office supply stores and Amazon.com. Friction Pilot ink turns clear under heat, and the Wave Notebook is specially designed to be microwave safe. That means you can clear your entire Wave Notebook in your microwave in the same amount of time it takes to make a cup of tea. When our specially designed thermal logo on the cover turns from blue to white, your Wave Notebook has been cleared and is ready to be reused. And with your notes in the cloud, an empty notebook has endless possibilities. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.
Control smart home devices, and get news and information. And now, introducing the newest member of the family, Amazon Echo Show.
Hi there.
This is Doug, first-time dad. With Echo Show, he can stay connected, even when his hands are full.
Mom would like to talk.
Alexa, accept the call. Hey, Mom.
Hi, honey. How are things?
You forgot to mention how hard this whole parenting thing would be.
And you're forgetting what your apron says.
Well, that's...
This is Jody, first-time mom.
Hi.
And these are the twins, Benny and Sarah, first-time babies. Meet Emily. With the help of her grandpa Tom, they're about to launch a project of cosmic proportions.
Oh, this is my favorite part. So, Doodlebug, how's the drawing coming?
The big one is Jupiter, with its anticyclonic storm, aka the Great Red Spot.
Wow.
Have you ever done this before, Grandpa?
Oh, yeah, sure. Alexa, show me YouTube videos on sponge painting.
Okay.
Just ask to watch Amazon Video, YouTube, movie trailers, and more.
Alexa, play number 3.
Okay.
Since this is a night sky, it's going to be a pretty dark background overall.
For Doug and Jody, having twins has been a handful, but Echo Show helps lighten the load.
Alexa, reorder diapers.
Your last order was Pampers 160 count. Would you like me to reorder it?
Yes. Oh. Alexa, order rubber gloves.
This is Gina. The Alexa app allows her to stay connected when she's away from home.
Gina would like to talk.
Alexa, accept the call.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Mommy.
Whoa, you're painting.
Yep.
That looks so cool. Oh, and your pants match your eyes now.
Whoops.
Some of the paint made it on the wall.
Oh, I gotta go. I'll check in with you later.
Bye. Love you.
Echo Show brings voice control to your smart home devices.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Here is the nursery.
Control lights, adjust thermostats, view camera feeds, and more with just your voice.
Alexa, flip a coin.
I got heads.
I had heads.
Okay, well, just so you know, that's not how it works.
Let's see how that space mural is coming along.
Wow. Great job today, kiddo.
You too, Grandpa.
Except, it's like something is still missing.
What?
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
Whoa.
What do you think?
I think it's awesome. It's like we're in space. Can we show Grandma?
Sure.
This is Drop-In, an easy way to be together. Once your closest friends and family have granted access, you can see when they're available. Then just say,
Alexa, drop in on Grandma.
Okay.
if your contact isn't up for a drop-in, they can answer with audio only, using their voice. Fortunately, Grandma's always up for a chat.
Oh, hi, sweetie.
Check it out, Grandma.
Oh, wow. That is amazing.
Thanks. That's Saturn, and that's Jupiter. Oh, and that's the little alien I made. His name's Spotty.
It's wonderful. Wonderful.
Because Echo Show is always ready, you can ask Alexa for a hand whenever you need one, even in the middle of the night.
Alexa, play my Guilty Pleasures playlist.
Playing the playlist, Guilty Pleasures.
Stream Amazon Music, Spotify, iHeartRadio, and more. Plus, with Amazon Music Unlimited, search millions of songs by artist, title, genre, mood, even lyrics. And thanks to 2 speakers powered by Dolby, Echo Show fills every room with incredible sound. Echo Show is getting smarter every day, so there's always something new to discover.
Oh, that was a long one. Alexa, add date night to my calendar for Friday at 7 p.m.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
Amazon Echo Show. Just ask.
It's the latest addition to our VideoMic range of microphones, and it's designed to help you get better audio in the videos that you shoot every single day on your smartphone. Now, the VideoMic Me is a directional microphone that's designed to help you get better audio directly with any video shot on your iOS or Android device. It's a directional microphone, and it actually cancels out sound that comes in from the rear of the microphone and only picks up the sound in the direction that you want to record. So whether you're mounting the phone and recording directly in front of you and cancelling out any sounds from behind you, or whether you're mounting it in selfie mode and wanting to cancel out any of the sounds in front of you like crowd noise or traffic noise, the VideoMic Me is a perfect mic to get rid of those sounds that you don't like. Now, on the back of the mic is a headset output jack so that you can actually listen to the audio as you record it and make sure that you're getting exactly what you want. Now, often what happens when you're recording outdoors in a windy environment, you'll often hear the wind reacting with the microphone, making it really rumbly and very hard to hear. So to combat that, we're actually supplying it with a windsock, which goes straight onto the end of the microphone, and it means that you can record even in very windy environments outside and get totally clean audio. The VideoMic Me is designed to fit a wide range of different devices, including both iOS and Android devices, as long as the headset input on the device is on the opposite side to the actual camera itself, purely so that you don't see the microphone when you're filming straight ahead. Now, it comes with a little adjustment on the back so that it can be mounted on a wide range of different devices, regardless of whether you have a case on or not. That mount can be simply adjusted by just twisting it off and then squeezing it on against the body of the device itself to get it to the perfect thickness and keep it there nice and secure. So there you have it, guys. That's the VideoMic Me. I think it's time to all get much better audio with the videos that we're shooting every single day.